Find the fraction notation for 0.85858585, etc. So we have a repeating decimal here. Remember that we can rewrite this as 0.85 plus 0.0085 plus 0.000085 plus etc. And now you'll recognize this as an infinite geometric series. And to find the fraction notation for this would be the equivalent of finding the limit if it exists. So first, let's determine whether the limit exists by calculating r. r would be equal to 0.0085 divided by 0.85. That's equal to 0.01, which is clearly less than 1, and therefore the limit does exist. And so now we use the formula s sub infinity is equal to a sub 1 divided by 1 minus r. In this case, a sub 1 is 0.85 divided by 1 minus r, so that would be 1 minus 0.01. Simplifying the denominator, we have the numerator is 0.85 divided by 0.99. And therefore, when we simplify that, we find that the limit is 85/99, and therefore that is the fraction notation for the repeating decimal 0.85858585.